right, let's get to another talkback message here. You can send these through the free iHeartRadio app. Talkback messages brought to us by One Team Media.
Hey, Mikey and Bob. It's Plant Lady.
Hi, Plant Lady.
Still riding with the show every day. So I'm sitting on the front porch getting ready for the Steeler game.
Yeah.
And I hear this noise.
Uh-oh.
I don't see what it is until I get up and look around the corner.
And we got spooky
What do we
sounds
got?
over
Yeah,
there
what
with
is
Plant Lady. All right.
It kind of caught me off guard, scared the out of me, actually. But I look over, and it's deer sneezing.
Deer sneezing? I don't feel like I've ever heard a deer sneeze.
Not that I know of.
All right, start looking it up right now, Bob.
You have to Google deer sneezing.
Yeah, see, she knows. Google it, Bob.
And it's called nasal bots, but
Nasal bots?
Nasal
All right, look
bots.
up what deer sneezing nasal bots is.
the sound, just tell me what you think you hear.
Okay.
If you're not paying, if you're just in your own little
Yeah.
zone vibing or whatever, and you hear that noise and don't see something.
Mm-hmm.
I think that it's like rut season, so I have like a horny deer
Oh,
convention
Oh no, horny deer
Horny
convention
and sneezing.
at Plant Ladies?
situation going on over there.
Oh, no.
But yeah, check out deer sneezes.
Oh, Jesus.
Let's go Steelers.
All right. Well, here we go, Bob. Do you have deer sneezing for me over
I
there?
do, yeah.
What
yeah.
are the things called? The bot? What's the bots?
bots.
What's that all about?
I guess it's some type of fly that annoys deer and gets up their nose.
Oh, so it's
It's a bot fly, it says.
They will fly up deer's nose and
They
then
make
they
them sneeze,
All right,
yeah.
here's a deer sneeze. Those are farts. That's farts, right?
Is that coming from the side of the house?
That's not sneeze. That's deer farts, right? Like, is that a deer has like a machine gun sneeze? Like, that's a fast sneeze. Like humans, we get a
Right, yeah.
pew. Like, this is just. I don't know, man.
Sounds like farts.
That's either a fart or a really horny deer that's just, making those noises coming around
Maybe
the
those
corner.
are sneezes of passion.
All right. Oh. Watch out, Plant Lady. All right. Deer sneezes make the show on a Steelers victory Monday out of nowhere.